The great businessman says that a great design is a silent ambassador of your brand. From Hollywood to Bollywood, from models to superstars, pay millions of dollars to get a spark on the fashion and to get used to one and only brand for the edition. From closest blog, we look back to the journey of the famous Parisian trunk maker who became the leader in the French fashion. The brand where there is no discount, the brand which is giving shape to your fashion, to your elegance, noticed and recognized. The brand which is your status symbol, the one and only Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton Ready to Wear was born at the dawn of 20s, commonly known as Louis Vuitton French fashion house and luxury good company, founded in 1854 by Louis Vuitton. The label of LV monogram appear on most of his product, ranging from luxury trunks and leather good to ready-to-wear shoes, watches, jewelry, accessories, sunglasses and books. Louis Vuitton is one of the leading international business houses. It sells its product through standalone boutiques, lease department and high-end departmental stores through e-commerce section of its website. In 1854, the LV brand revolutionized the world of travel with the invention of the flat trunk and with the LV monogram. The business was founded by Louis Vuitton, and the first flat trunk with a Great Tranian canvas was created in his workshop. Since then, the business journey was already started, and in 1892, Louis Vuitton Maltier passes away, and after that, his son George Vuitton has taken over the business. In the year 1914, Louis Vuitton Maltier has got a stage to open its first store in Paris, France. Since the business family tree has already expanded, in 1935, George Vuitton died and the son Gaston Louis Vuitton assumed control over the company. So, what made Louis Vuitton so luxury? The brand Louis Vuitton and the LV monogram are among the most world valuable brand. According to the Millett Brown 2010 study, Louis Vuitton was the world's 90th most valuable brand, and it was estimated to be the worth $19 billion. Louis Vuitton was number one of the 10 most powerful brand. Louis Vuitton is one of the most counterfeited brand in the fashion world due to its image and its status symbol. Ironically, the signature monogram canvas was created to prevent counterfeiting. So why Louis Vuitton is so expensive? With its exquisite brand and designing, maintaining an edge over the growing competition in fashion is increasingly demanding. Louis Vuitton prefer to work with professional and expert with a fashion field to work with. Being as a formidable brand, they are designed to have to be cutting edge in their own right. Next, limited edition. Louis Vuitton capitalize on desire and exclusivity. They do not produce to flood the market with their unique and genius design. Vuitton stick to the sales projection, and once they are hit, they ease production of the item to minimize wastage and maintain the high value of the item. Next, high standard material selection for production. Vuitton maintain his high standard from the get-go at the selection of raw material to be used in production. Through inspection is undertaken to rule out any blemishes or imperfection. Even when using animal skin like snake or crocodile, as they usually do, they have to be manually burnished with stone which create the shine. The same process is applied in making the coated canvas material water, weather and tear proof. These carefully selected and groomed material that what makes up a classy and edgy bag that will be with you for a long time. That is, if you can live long enough to afford one. It is for sure that the Louis Vuitton has been a remarkable brand in terms of the status and royalty. So, the startups can learn a lot to be the next Louis Vuitton.